Hi guys, dito na kami sa Circle guys. Daming tao guys.
Ito po sa isang event na aming in-organize. Ito po yung Battle of the Band. And the grand finals will be on March 31 sa Pasigueño, Tanghalan ng Pasigueño, Pasig City. Kami po yung nag-invite sa inyo na manood. Tulungang suportahan. Ito ay tatanggap ng premyo 200,000. First runner-up will receive 150,000. Second runner-up will receive 100,000 and third runner-up will receive 50,000. Paki-play po ng video please.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Sa loob ng circle guys. Yan tayo guys.